Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at an England goalkeeper top, and I thought it was quite apt to do this one. So I've had it, it was delivered I think last week, so I'm just getting around to recording it. But yesterday announcement was that Mary Earps has retired from international football, and this one I'd ordered actually with Hampton on the back already. So I thought I would get this video recorded, although it probably won't be out for a couple of weeks' time. The news of yesterday was Mary Earps retiring, so Hannah Hampton will be the official number one. Or that's what the assumption is, I should say. So this is from a new seller, okkinetic.com. I will leave all the information for the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller. They obviously do sell English shirts, so I should be able to leave a direct link to this one. But yeah, this is a new seller, never used them before, so we'll see what the items are like. I do have one more shirt from them as well. So the seller is okkinetic. But yeah, all the information will be in the description of the video. So the shirt itself comes in a standard Nike bag, and on the flip side it does have the traditional health warnings. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments or questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what we'll do now is we'll open the England goalkeeper top that's got Hannah Hampton number 1 on the back, purchased from okkinetic.com. Okay, we start with the front of the shirt, and you've just got the same sort of collar that all Nike shirts seem to have for this season, which is this cutout. I just don't understand what that's there for. That's the fan spec version of the shirt. It's the short sleeve. The Nike has been embroidered in, and to be fair, that looks a pretty good Nike. No pulls on either side. The England crest has been embroidered on as well. There's a little bit of the card up there, but that will soon be coming off. And you've got the one at the start. The number 1 has been heat pressed on, and that is a proper sort of vinyl feel. And at the bottom we have the engineered. And actually that's probably the most straightest engineered that I've seen on one of these shirts. I don't know if it's been heat pressed on, probably glued on, to be fair. Looking at the hemline, if I put my hand through it, you can't really see my hand, so that's good. Just going up and around. All looks really nice. I do really like this goalkeeper top. I think it's quite apt to say that I did get Hannah Hampton on the back of this one. And this is the second women's footballer that I've done on this channel, because we did a Russo Arsenal shirt before. So let's flip it around now and we'll look at the reverse side. Okay, we're on to the reverse, and the collar line is the same as the front. Again, you've got that little join there. You can just about make out, look, where some of the print has gone onto the other side. So it's a little bit see-through. And then we have the Hampton Nameset. It's been vinyled on. Or I wonder what that was then. That is the Nike emblem, which means the England one is that side. The number 1 is the same sort of vinyl as both the Hampton and the one on the front. There's a crease there, but I think that's just from where it's been in the bag and not a crease in the actual vinyl where it's gone on the shirt. But we'll have a look when we get onto the inside. At the bottom you do have the 3 lions. Another crease just there from the shirt being in the bag. I thought it was a pull then where the join was, but it is just a crease. Oh, looks good. Stitching looks perfect. Let's flip it inside out and take a look at that as well. Okay, we're on the inside now, and you get the standard tag which you get on all these shirts. It's got the England, the Nike, and the final one, which is the move to 0. England crest, you do a little bit of card there. Those do pull off nice and easy. If they don't pull off, then my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on the shirt. But the England crest join looks good, and the Nike tick, to be fair, that is a pretty good Nike tick actually. The join is there, but there's no pulls or anything. And there, if I push in now, look, you can see the Hampton and the 1 relatively clearly. So the material is a little bit see-through, but nothing too bad. We have our washing instructions here. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put them on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry, never put them in a tumble dryer. And that's our Nike engineer, so that has been glued on, you can tell because it's slightly darker. The hemline all looks nice and tidy. Good bit of stitching down there, the odd loose cotton there, but we'll soon get a pair of scissors on that, likewise with that join as well, another loose cotton, but scissors can soon sort that out. That's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's look at the reverse side of the inside now too. Okay, so we've got the final part now, and up top here we have the Dry Fit XL. So this has all been heat pressed on. It is an XL fans version, so recommendation really is to buy your natural size. Here's the Nameset that's gone on, and that's gone on really well actually. No creases, nothing. If I'm rubbing my hand there a little bit, it's because it's the England badge and I wondered what it was for a start, but you can just about see it through there. Here's the number 1, and that crease that I mentioned is a crease in the material, so it's not where the number 1's gone on. So you know that once the shirt's been worn or washed, then those creases will go and the number 1 will look absolutely perfect. Another loose cotton there, but again, scissors to soon sort that out. But all looking good around there, absolutely perfect. So if I just, oh there you go again, there's a night tick, so again you can see how see-through it is. But that's the final part of the inside of this football shirt done. A Hannah Hampton England goalkeeper top. And there we have it, the England goalkeeper top with the Hannah Hampton Nameset. This top was purchased from okkinetic.com. It's the first time I've used this seller. Delivery timescales, again, you're looking at about standard sort of 15 days from the point of being told it's been dispatched. And as the first item comes, really cannot fault this. I do have one other item from them that I've purchased, which will be coming up on this channel in a week or so. Obviously I try to spread my videos out to keep the content fresh and allow you to watch them. So usually I put them out on like a Wednesday and a Saturday morning. But yeah, really happy with this one. I will also leave a link in the description to the seller and a dhgate one as well for my usual seller that I use for their items, just so it enables you to see which one you want to go forward with. But yeah, really happy with this one. If you are new here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we said, the seller is okkinetic.com. First time I've used them, and yeah, I'm happy. The next one that I've got from them is an Ireland shirt, I think it was. So yeah, subscribe and you'll see that one in a week or so. But there we have it. There's our final look at the Hannah Hampton England goalkeeper top. As I said, very apt at the moment with Mary Epps recently retiring. So I'm sure we'll see Hampton one on the back of many goalkeeper tops for England for the next few years. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.